in a few seconds, I will teach you a problem that I learned. I am doing a statistical core at University of the People, and one of this problem was a headache for me. So let's get going. I go to this side, and so the problem is we have a box with 8 green balls and 4 yellow balls. Now the problem lies when we want to draw one event and the other at the same time. What do you think it might happen? So let's make express this into probability expressions. Let's use a black marker. There will be 8 over 8 plus 4. That will be the total balls that are in the box. That will be 12. And so 4 over what? 12? No, no, it's not 12. It's 11. It's 11. And why you may say it's 11? Because once you draw the first ball, you only are left with 11. So, and what do you think we must do with these two fractions? We must multiply them. Why we multiply these two fractions? Because it's an event, it's a probability that happens simultaneously. That is rule, the multiplicity rule probability. That's the rule. So we must multiply these two. Mhm. And so 8 times 4 equals 2, and I have the calculator here, and we have 32. 32. Let's check this out. 4 times 8 equals 32, and 12 times 11 equals 132. 132. 132. So this will be the result, the product of the probability of drawing a yellow ball, a green ball, followed by a green ball. The probability is 32 over 132, and if you can give this can get this result into percentage, you just solve this, you get the fraction 0. So and so. I guess it's 0.22, something like that, and it will be 22% of chances of drawing a green ball and a yellow ball at the simultaneously, one after the other. So that would solve this problem. And if you find this video helpful, just keep on the loop. I will keep uploading new problems from my statistical course. Thanks for watching. All the best.